Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly Go, to basically exchange stickers is pretty simple. So to exchange stickers, you will have to go to your very bottom part of your Monopoly Go right here. As you can see, you have your wins, build, album, and friends. So here, you will go to your albums. So to send stickers on Monopoly Go, you must have a friend in Monopoly Go you want to send stickers to. So for example, you want to send him a sticker of Ask card right here. So the number of cards you will have will be shown here as +6, +3, and +5. So if I say I want to send my friend this Ask card to someone, and just select the friend and you press send. And there you go, you have successfully sent a sticker to a friend. So let's say you want to send another one like this one. So here, all you have to do is select the sticker you want to send. So let's example this one. What's this? So all you have to do is send this to a friend. Choose the friend you want to send it to. So let's just say you want to send it to this person, and just press send, and there you go. And you will see that there's a deduction of stickers in your inventory, and there you go. So that is how you send stickers here in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time. Thank you for watching this video.